Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour. This is meeting number 83, and this is added as agenda item 1856 on Ethereum/PM repo. On agenda, we have got a few review, few miscellaneous, and draft proposals for review, and we are joined by Sam Wilson. Thank you, Sam, and we can perhaps get started. Starting with the first one, which is waiting for final. I believe it is already set. Something is not working there. Something is broken there.
All right, let's take a look. What hasn't been oh, okay. 7594 is not stable enough for a status of final, so it's easy enough to fix. 7594. So this is in last call. That makes sense. Is there an equivalent? 7594. Move to final. All right. Yeah, so this needs to be dealt with first.
I see Anders as a author, co-author for this proposal. So I'm just curious to hear that since this proposal is made by him from last call to final, could we not assume that everything which were there in earlier PRs either have been taken care of in this PR or aren't required anymore?
You mean for this one here?
Yes. And anyway, this seems to be in the draft status, so perhaps it was never ready or it could have been discarded.
Sorry,
Oh,
this,
it is yours, I guess. Yeah, sorry about that.
yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, this one's mine. It's just moving it to final, but
Mhm.
this PR here is open, and people are still discussing it. So we can't really move to final until this one gets taken care of.
Okay, so this is a Fusaka proposal, and the proposal is already finalized.
Yes.
So I was just trying to understand, would it be safe to assume the final
Oh, sorry,
PR?
7594 has gone to final? Okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it.
Okay, what am I missing? Got it. So what about the 7918 proposal? I guess that is for. Okay, got it. Sorry,
Yeah.
I understand the confusion here. Yeah, thank you for explaining that.
No worries. Yeah, it's just there's an open question about this proposal, and because we haven't sorted out that open question yet, we can't really go to final. So I guess I'll just ping people on this one. Who do I need to ping? We need to ping. Okay, so hopefully somebody will look at that.
Yes. So next we have got couple. Okay, you want to add a comment here? Okay, next we have got couple of review status. I believe you reviewed this proposal already, but the author has come back with the improvement suggestion. May want to take another look. Yes.
Sure. All right. Good. Yeah, so that seems good. And let's just give it a quick read through. Yep, this seems fine. Off to review you go. And then 7893. Um, good. Okay. Let's see how this looks. So most of that's all removed. Good. And then okay, so it's this one. Yeah, this is all looking much better. Okay. Functions, yep, following query capabilities measured in the current state. Yep. Okay, yeah, that's so much better. These aren't like features anymore. They're like strict requirements, which is exactly what I had asked. So good. Um, everything's moved into rationale. Okay, so where is that? View file. So this is 7893. Okay, so they've removed everything. So for now, I will just go here. Okay, yeah, this is too much of a change. I don't feel comfortable just making it. So all right, 7893. So moving on to miscellaneous stuff. New CFG diagrams. Oh, sorry.
Sam, we are joined by an author, and if we can perhaps take a
Yeah, of
look
course.
at this PR, this seems to be very interesting. It is on ERC repository, and the number is 1422. It's not there on the agenda. But the interesting case here is this ERC is already merged as a draft on eips.ethereum.org, yet we can see this as a draft proposal here. Seems there is
No,
some
interesting.
conflict, but I don't know. The author is with us in case there is any question.
Sure.
Yeah, I think it's already been in draft, but when we made a PR to add a few extra changes, they were suggested by you, Sam, last time. It somehow like combined it with the original PR. I'm not sure how.
Okay, so it is there. What's different between the two?
Just like the description and a couple other things. Yeah.
Yeah, so it looks like you'll just need to resolve the conflicts and then this should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically just pick out of all of these options which ones are the correct and then
Yeah,
mark as
right.
resolved. Yeah. Um, yeah, I think it's probably just that you didn't update your branch before you made the pull request, like locally. That would be my guess, but Shouldn't be too
Okay,
hard to
yeah.
use.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's not a big conflict, but yeah. Okay, so will it automatically merge it now since it's in draft mode, or do we still need to do it through a review?
No, it should automatically merge it as long as there's no errors from the linting tools.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you. We can move on to the next. It seems like you have already resolved the first one, so we can go for the CFG diagram.
Sure. This person has approved too many pull requests. 1 second. There it is. And this thing is great as long as it's still working. There we go. You are now blocked. Okay.
Is that a bot or is that a GitHub feature?
That is a bot.
Okay.
Yeah, the DevOps team was getting swamped by block requests, so they built a tool for us to just block anybody we want.
Amazing.
Okay. Yeah, this is just an asset change without that makes sense. And then 7979. Greg is listed as an author, so I don't even need to look at this. Go for it. Remove deprecated Google Plus social link. Is there really really?
I was surprised too. Like, do we have that?
Oh, that's funny. That's really funny. Okay. So yeah, go for it. And then do I still have that?
Would it require 2 reviewers approval here or just one can do it?
Probably, but I'll probably just force merge it if I have to.
Okay, yeah, it's not a big deal.
Yeah. Okay, good. I don't have that on my copy, so I just need to recreate this on the ERC's website. I am so excited to not have to do that anymore. That was includes social. I mean, it really doesn't matter that much because I don't think we have it set in our config, but whatever.
But do we really need to maintain 2 copies in 2 different repositories? Like, we don't have EIP1 in RIP. Could we not just have it in EIP repository?
We could. It's kind of like a side effect of how Panda Pip and like client did the repository split.
Yeah, I really wish
So
it can be solved because until yesterday, I didn't know that I have to make the PRs at both the repos. I just did it
yep,
at one.
I didn't know until a little while ago myself. I just yeah.
Another topic to educate people who want to contribute to EAP1.
Well, hopefully we won't have that problem anymore. I've gotten quite a bit further on the
The new website?
the new website, so
Awesome.
yeah. Okay, so that's approved. I will just force merge this because I have too much power in this repository. There we go.
We
Eliminate
need that
duplicate
power,
documents.
Sam. Otherwise, we would have like swamp with the open PRs. Yeah.
Okay. How difficult is this pull request to review? Okay. ERC assign doc prefix ERC EIP. Okay. Page title, XML escape. So that seems fine. Okay, then that's just used there. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Page title, XML escape. Yeah, that's the same. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that looks like it's good. Excuse me. I would prefer to get somebody else also looking at this one, so I will go leave a note. Okay. Referable NFT royalties. I love NFT royalty pull requests.
Yeah, I mean, for this meeting, we have got most of ERCs and some of them are very interesting.
Okay, so 5521. Is that what a referable NFT? Yeah, okay. Okay. Um, 65. Um, so we have royalty info. Is that used somewhere? It's used in reference royalty. Reference royalty is used in an event, so that's good. Yep, good. Huge base configuration. Okay, so you need 712. Is that in your requires? It is not, so we can add that. 712. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's good. 0.21. Okay.
I guess our template also suggests that it should be CC0, right?
I believe so.
Mhm.
No, it just says DC0 at the end, so yeah, that
So is it something like, I know we have been in this loop for so many times. Is it something that we want to make a requirement?
it's at least something we should add to the tool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I have yeah, I have an issue in here. I just haven't been able to work on it yet.
Is it in EIPW?
Yep.
Okay, I will see if I can share it in another community and anyone interested to pick it up.
Okay. Contract level on-chain metadata. Extends. Da, da, da. Okay. What's failing in here? Oh. Interesting. Yeah, so that's an easy fix, but the other one less so.
Yeah, I guess this and the next one is requested by ENS team. They are like really working hard on it, trying to support and get this thing done.
Okay. 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 CSU defines a standard for storing contract level metadata on chain. It extends 7572s. Okay, so presumably you need clients 7572. Contracts may optionally use 8042. Um, maybe. So then we can go and edit this. Okay. Yeah. And primarily focused on off-chain metadata sources here, since the concept of providing on-chain storage content and predictable storage. Okay. So okay. This here is an optional system maybe that wishes to store contract level metadata on chain. Yeah, I guess. Contract information. This. Yeah. Okay. Good. Metadata updated. Yep. This uses the keys to string type. Yeah, this provides flexibility for storing any type of data. Optional key private keys. Choose the tune format. Interesting.
I believe they want to like push these two proposals together.
Okay. Is there somewhere that I can link to this that is build specification? Okay, what license is this? This is MIT. So do that, and then so. Okay. And this name using the standard. So what is that? ERC hooks. Is there a file called ERC hooks that you're adding? No.
Yeah, it looks like they are working on the third proposal, which would be ERC hooks. But in that
Oh,
case, yeah,
I see.
but in that case, it should be in the required section, right? Like maybe we can take a look if they have already mentioned anything over there.
They didn't have a required
Oh,
section.
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Then they are definitely. I mean, definitely this file is missing, which we need. Yes.
Yeah. Let's just do. There. Good. That's fine. It's fine. All right.
One thing I note here, Sam, that in backward compatibility section, they have mentioned a bunch of ERCs number there without the link. I mean, as I understand, only one proposal, perhaps 8004, is not ready yet. But is this an acceptable way of mentioning? I mean, I don't see any dependency here. Maybe just a piece of information, but how do you see it?
Where, sorry?
Backward compatibility. So it says that fully compatible with. Are we looking at the same?
Oh, that's pretty vague.
Just give me a minute. So we are looking at 8048.
We are looking at 8049.
Sorry, my bad. So in
Oh, no worries.
8048, I think it is mentioned there. Could you maybe take a look?
Yeah, of course. Uh, Where'd it go?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
here,
they
yeah.
should all be links. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. But here's the problem. Like if we enforce them to link, they don't know when 8004 is going to be matured and like finalized. So
Yeah.
the preference would be not link, but just wanted to know if this is an allowed format.
See, the first time you mentioned it, you have to link to it. I think that's reasonable.
Mhm.
So I think what would be, let's see. Yeah, they have a bunch of those. So we'll say here.
Yeah, it makes sense that they should mention it because if people want to know more, they are not adding the EIP here, just the reference link.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is a good piece of advice.
Yeah.
So unless they are ready with 8004, perhaps they can remove it.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh, was that this one? I think that's this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Well,
So we are at now zero knowledge token. I guess you already have done it, no? 804 it we oh
yeah, I haven't done 8048 yet. I just did the one comment.
yeah.
Wait, is this just a duplicate of the other one?
No, you just added the comment to 8048, so that's why it seems familiar to you.
Right. Yeah. Contract level on-chain metadata for token registries. Okay.
Yeah. That's why they want to
Yeah.
move these two proposals together. I guess it is required for ENS or some.
Okay.
Something like
Yeah,
that.
that makes sense. I guess they do. Or key value store. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, 8048. Was that? Did I read that right? No. Diamond storage is 8042. Okay. Uh, I mean, that's fine. Cool. I think I'll wrap it up here for today. think we got through a decent number of them. Thanks for organizing, Pooja. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Sam, for joining us here today. See everyone in next week or next call.
See you.
Bye-bye.